Okay, folks, how are you today? This exercise is to practice simple present tense, affirmative, and short answers. Okay, every weekend is important to the Garcia family. Every weekend is important to the Garcia family. During the week, they don't have very much together, but they spend a lot of time together on the weekend. Mr. Garcia works at the post office during the week, but he doesn't work there on the weekend. Mrs. Garcia works at the bank during the week, but she doesn't work there on the weekend. Jennifer and Jonathan Garcia go to school during the week, but they don't go to school on the weekend. And the Garcia's dog, Max, stays home alone during the week, but he doesn't stay home alone on the weekend. On Saturday and Sunday, the Garcias spend time together. On Saturday morning, they clean the house together. On Saturday afternoon, they work in the garden together. And on Saturday evening, they watch videos together. On Sunday morning, they go to church together. On Sunday afternoon, they have a big dinner together. And on Sunday evening, they play their musical instruments. As you can see, every weekend is special to the Garcias. It's their only time together as a family. Okay, folks. The vocabulary. During the week, durante la semana, they don't have very much time together. Ellos no tienen mucho tiempo juntos. Negative sentence, eso lo vamos a ver la otra semana. Negative sentences. They don't have very much time together. For example, I say, I don't have a car. But they spend a lot of time together. Pero ellos comparten, spend es compartir mucho, a lot of time together, juntos, on the weekend, el fin de semana. Mr. Garcia works at the post office during the week. El señor García trabaja en la oficina postal durante la semana. But he doesn't work there on the weekend. Pero él no trabaja ya los fines de semana. Doesn't, he doesn't. Como es he, is doesn't, remember. Or he, she, it is does or doesn't. Mrs. Garcia works at the bank during the week, but she doesn't work there on the weekend. The same thing. She, so it's doesn't. Jennifer and Jonathan Garcia go to school during the week, but they don't go to school on the weekend. Pero ellos no van al colegio los fines de semana. They, so when you have I, we, you, they, is with do or don't. Okay, and the Garcia's dog, Max, stays home alone during the week. Y el perro de los García, Max, permanece o se queda en casa solo durante la semana. But he doesn't stay home alone on the weekend. Amores, para animales o cosas es it. Aquí podría ser it doesn't stay home alone on the weekend. Pero como se considera como parte de familia el perro o el gato, puede ser he or she. Alone, solito. Bueno, de permanecer, stay. Okay, amores. Remember this here. And on Sunday afternoon, they have a big dinner together. Ellos tienen una cena grande, pues cenan mucho, comen muchas cosas. Ok, amores, as you can see, como pueden ver, eso es lo que quiere decir, as you can see. Ok, amores, al final hay 3 ejercicios para hacer. Ahí está bien especificadito. Se supone que son el tiempo de entrega hasta el 8 perdón. Hasta el 1 de mayo. Es este ejercicio, los 3 ejercicios que aparecen bien especificados. Pero pues la idea es que lo terminen, amores, porque es muy fácil. Entonces, amores, espero que lo terminen para poderlo socializar en las videoconferencias. I love you.